battery sign is on. How do you know what caused this? 4, 3, 2, 1. So what they say, no terminate light off. Dot zoom. And place. So see, they give it to us alternator stats as bad. So they give it to 11 voltage. So that's not good. So now we will replace alternator. Hello guys, how are you today? If you see in dashboard, see, battery sign is on. How do you know what caused this? If something like this happen, it comes from two things, battery or alternator. So but how do we know is battery is dead or mean is damaged or alternator is damaged? Now we have device, let's check it to know exact, test alternator or battery and see what the result. Now we're going to menu battery and alternator test. So we are going to alternator first. See, say turn on headlight. Let me turn on headlight. Yes. So what they say. Okay. You say raise to 2000 for 20 seconds. So raise roll to 2000 for 20 seconds. We will wait and we will see. They will give it to us result 11. This has not come down. 4, 3, 2, 1. So what they say, no terminate light off. Dot zoom and place. So see, they give it to us alternator stats as bad. We open this screw and this one to lose belt. After then we can open this one, then we disconnect wire, this one and this, then we do replace it. So I will disconnect our battery terminal. Just in case. Yep. We'll start from this one. This. I'll disconnect here also. Here's this cable. This one goes there. Goes here and this one also. So now we'll do this one. The 14 mm. See guys, no, I don't need more, it's enough. Since I will lose this bolt, already built this off, then I will take off. No built also is off, just I need to open this small one. This one also. No, it's done. It should be easy. Take off. Yeah. No. I remove it. So by the same way, I will put a new one. This is new alternator. We get online. New one. Put this one first. Yep. First, I put this belt, this bolt and this one. See? So now just I will tight. Then we don't. Now tight more. Right, this is good. So now put here this electric wire on this one. I think. So now we replace with new one. So we tied this ball and this toe, then belt also is tight, and wire also, electric wire. Then I did this one and this switch over here in our battery. So I'll terminate. I mean minus terminate. I think we're good. I go check belt. It is work perfect. So now let's we do check again. Let me see. See. We're going to menu. Menu, going to battery, alternator test. Let's see alternator again. Okay. And this says going to be in temperature begins. We start the engine, headlight. No, my headlight is already on. Okay, so I'll start test. Say race to 2000. I will let like this. So should be stayed over 2000, no more than 2000. Let's see. See? Voltage rate 14.26. That's good. So it means alternator is working. But let me test. You have to see tested. Now turn off the light. So give it. So now place 1 moment. So yeah, alternator is good. Okay, thanks for watching.